All right, it's day 2 of the project, the gray water tank project. Yesterday I went into town. I got a few plumbing fixtures that I needed, and I also got some crushed stone, which is back at the landing, back at my truck. So I'm going to go out and get that. That's going to be fun because I think that's probably 600 pounds of stone that I have to carry. Another good workout today. Carrying a lot of weight on a boat, it's important to distribute the weight evenly and get it as low as you can. I do have some rocks up here on the bow, just make it easier to unload it, but I did balance out the weight. I've had a lot more weight in this boat over the years. Well, that's making things easier. 2 trips in the ATV. I wasn't sure. It's pretty rough terrain and pretty steep, but I put enough weight on the front so it didn't flip over, which is always good. That would not be ideal. Okie dokie. Well, everything's laid in there. Got a layer of stone on the bottom. I've got 3 more bags I'm going to throw in there once I get everything sealed up. Nothing's glued yet, but I'm going to do that now. I've got my 3-inch waistline coming in from the house, or out from the house into the barrels. I eliminated a coupling there between them. I realized I didn't need that, so it's just the width of the coupling instead of a couple pipes. So it's ready to be sealed up, and I'm getting ready to be done with this project. Okay, it's almost done. I put the rest of the crushed rock around the base of the tanks with the emphasis on the first few. I figured that's going to get the most water. I put the plastic bags that the stone came in on top of the stone. My idea is that way the sand won't filter down into the stone once I throw that in and kind of clog it. So now it's just a matter of filling the hole back in. I don't know how far I'm going to get today, but I'll start it just to hold everything in place. Okay, well, ended up finishing it today. That 1.5-inch PVC is connected down into a pipe in between 2 of the tanks. I don't know if it's necessary, but I figure if water's pouring in, it's displacing air, the air's going to go somewhere. And if it's a fairly tight system, it's got nowhere to go. So I figured I'd put that vent in there for that reason. Also to tell and let subsequent homeowners, hopefully maybe my son one day, that there's something under there. So the gray water tanks complete, a project I've been procrastinating for a while, and you can see why. It was just very, very difficult, just physically difficult challenge and a lot of work. But it cost me not much money, $150, including all the pipes, the stone. The stone was the biggest cost. It was like $120, and it's done. But what's frustrating about a job like this is nobody says, wow, that is a beautiful looking gray water leach field you got there, Neil. Yeah, no one's ever going to see it. It's not like a deck or a porch or an addition or a paint job on a house. But you know what happened? Yesterday, I got a brand new hammock pad, and I am going to check that out and do some product testing. For the record, thumbs up to the hammock pad.